Hi and welcome to Drawmate, the only drawing show where we haven't sharpened our pencils yet.
You're so prepared.
I'm always prepared. Today we're going to draw a bunny, a little rabbit. And to draw a rabbit, we'll start by drawing a big circle right here, which will be its head. Like that. Now that you've drawn a circle for its head, it's time to draw the basic shapes of its body. We'll start with a smaller circle, like this, and then we will end by drawing a circle that's right about the same size as the circle that forms its head. And we'll end it about there, which means that the circle will be inside the other circle for its body for about a quarter of a way, something like that. Now that we've drawn the basic shapes for its body and its head, it's time to add some details to said head by drawing a big cross right in the middle like this and just make it follow the curve of this circle. Now that we've done that, we'll start with drawing a tear shape from the bottom of the middle of this cross right here. Go up and then go down. A nice tear shape, and we'll do the same on the other side. Having done that, it's time for the next step, which is to draw the little nose of this rabbit. We'll do this right here, an inverted triangle that's also very rounded, like this, and then we'll add a curve starting from here to there. It goes down right to about there. Then we'll add a little curve like this, and now we have a smiling rabbit. And as you know, we like our rabbits best when they're happy. If you're happy and you're a rabbit, let us know, because we want to draw you.
Nice.
Yeah. So, next step is to draw the teeth of this little rabbit. Like that and like this. It's just two little vertical lines down and then connect them together and split them up in the middle. Now that we've done that, we can continue by creating the eyes. Draw some big ovals like this. And right in the top, we'll add a little sparkle. Then, we'll make the ears like this. Go up, go down. Follow a nice curve. And then end there. Perfect. On the other side, we'll go up, round them off, and then go back again and connect them to the head like this. Then we'll add a line here to finish the head, follow the shape here, and then we'll add some fur right here and the same on the other side. And we have to draw the insides of the ears as well, which is also kind of furry, so we'll go like that and back in again. And then on the other side, we'll do the exact same thing, like this. Now we will draw its eyebrows, and then we're done with the head. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute.
Very cute.
Yeah, perfect. Now we have to attach its chest, like this, to its head. And we'll do that like that. And now that we've done that, it's time to draw the legs and the paws. We'll start with a nice oval. Then add another one just like this. And then a final one like that, which will be more of a circle with a more, it will be a bit more pointy at the end. And we'll do the same on the other side. Now that we've done that, we want to draw, of course, its other legs, paws, whatever, as well, which we will do like this. We'll draw a curve like this, that goes down like that, and then on the other side, we'll draw a curve like this, to then draw a nice oval this way, and again, with this pointy oval circle-like shape. And of course, because this is a 2/3 view, we'll do it on the other side as well. Now that we've done that, we'll add some detail. So we'll add a curve like this, and like this on every claw. We'll end it like that, add some fur, and do the same on the other side. And then we'll attach, while we're doing this, the back of the beautiful rabbit to its head. Now, let's finish by adding some details here for the paws as well, and on the other side, as always, of course. Now, one final step. What's the final step, Lucas?
It's a tail, right?
It's the tail, of course.
Tail up first.
So, we'll add a big circle-like shape right at the end of it, and then we'll just add some fur like this. And that will make this rabbit complete. That's a rabbit. So, this was how to draw a rabbit with Drawmate. If you like this video, thank you for watching. It would be cool if you could subscribe. If you didn't like this video, I understand. We can't like everything in this world. So, you know, just go about enjoying life. Maybe leave a dislike if you feel like that's necessary. And then we'll see you in the next video. Or not, if you didn't like it. Just, you know, it's a free world. Do whatever you want. That's not a good outro, is it?
It's not, but
We'll just leave it in anyway.
yeah,
Yeah.
leave it in.
It's a really spiritual outro. It's acceptance. We have to preach acceptance.